Okay guys, welcome to this video today. I'm going to be teaching you how to build this agri investment website. This agri investment full script is a laravel script that also have an e-commercial feature. With this, you can set up an investment site or a Hyip site and also a an e-commercial website for agric mainly or property. You can go through the I'll be dropping the link to the I'll be dropping the link directly to this site so you can go check it out. So today I'll be teaching you how to make this. It also has a blog. Remember, this is built. You don't need any idea of coding. You don't need any idea of programming. What you just have to do is follow how I am going to be teaching you how to install, edit, and enter. This is the dashboard. You see how it is. It is a pure investment script. And also you can set up a website where people can buy your product and also invest in your product. So you can see the project. You can also set up payment project, and it just has a full features of e-commercial website, Hyip investment platform. So this is the rundown of the site. This is how the other page is. This is the summary of the order I just made from the store. So I'll be also teaching you how to set up the admin, how to install manually, or how to install automatically. But this is a Laravel, so I don't need to install it manually. I'm going to install it automatically. So without coding, this is the home page. This is the investment packages. This is how the investment packages are. You can see how it is being set. See how the investment is going to be. You can use it to set up crypto investment. You can also use it to set up your agri farm sales. So this is the admin. This is the admin dashboard. This is how the admin is going to be. From the admin, you can edit the homepage. You just like this is a full system. This is a full Laravel system. So you don't need to know much about code unless you want to edit the home pages, which you can edit directly from the cpanel because it comes with its own HTML page that you can just edit. So this is where you can download the script. I'll be dropping the link below. You will get the script for free. Just head to the link, click on it, and go and download it so we can continue. So now I have gotten my cpanel. If you want to get your own cpanel, I'll be dropping a link below where you can buy your own cpanel. I got my domain from HOGANHOST. So now I'll be creating my database. That is the first thing we are going to be doing, is creating our database. So we'll fill in the details. We'll go into the first step. This is the second step. Here now we are going to be creating our database user. We created our database. Now we are creating our database user. I am using everything anonymous uniformly so that they will be together. So when you create the database, you are supposed to go to the file which you got from my website, get the SQL. That is what you are going to import inside my PHP admin. But now I want to go and import the file in the file manager. So you have to click on the file manager, look for where the file manager is, click on the file manager, select project, then we shall go into importing it. One thing I like about all this script is when you give a work to someone who is a developer, the person checks whether if he can do this with a script or he can build it from scratch. Well, building from scratch is not actually bad, but one thing you should know about building from scratch is it takes your time. You might end up not realizing what you are building. But using a script, everything is already built. What you have to do is get the script. As a developer who knows code a little, you can customize your script the way you want it. If you are a developer who doesn't know code very well, you can also customize your script using, since it's laravel or php, it have already been coded and it have already been customized, so you can tweak it the way you want as a developer. So the reason why I'm making this video is, I got this script directly from code cannon. So when you get the script, you start your installation. Now, as we are still installing the script, I want us to go and install the database which we got directly from the file. So one thing about Laravel is Laravel works exclusively with PHP. And one thing about PHP is very, very external, and PHP is very, very easy to understand if you take your time. So now we are now in the myphpadmin. In the myphpadmin, we are going to be importing the SQL into the database which we created. Because Laravel work with Laravel work with Laravel work with PHP and SQL. So we are going to be importing the SQL. If you are just joining this video from here, please start from afresh so that you will understand what we are talking about. So from here, I'm importing my SQL. So it is done importing. So please don't forget to click on the subscription. Making this video have not been easy, so don't forget to click on the subscription button and click on the bell icon so you can get notification. So we've done with installing. Now we are done with the installation. So click on your domain / just on your domain. So we'll check on our permissions. We'll go to storage / now you have to check on storage and bootstrap. So we'll go to the bootstrap page, then we'll change on the couch. We'll change on it. We'll change the to 0775. So we'll go to storage. Once you are done installing the project, extract it on the home page, on the directory or the user, any place you are trying to install it. So we'll go to storage. We'll change the permissions. Now when you are installing it, will tell you to change the permissions, to edit the permissions. So this is where we are editing it. Then we'll change from storage / framework, and you check it and log. Then everything is working. So click on this place here. You can, since it is new, I knew it, so you put 30 random words. Then you put your email. So I'm going to put in my email. Then you put the database that you created from the beginning. So I'm going to put the database, the email, the database user, and the database password. So I'll paste the password and the user. click on proceed. So it will show successful. That means you have successfully installed your script. Your script is installed without any problem. So this is AgriWealth installation and management of this script. The AgriWealth domain, you can use Canvas to edit your domain, to edit your logo. This now can be edited from admin. So this is the admin. When you are done installing the admin login should be user admin, password admin. So this is our admin dashboard. Like I promised you, we are going to be creating the admin dashboard and the user dashboard. So if this is your first time of joining us in this channel, you saw how simple it was to build this site without even coding or without any programming knowledge. You should follow this video from afresh so you can understand it. You should also check out my channel, check out other videos that I have done so that you can learn from us. Please do not forget to click on the subscription button and click on the bell icon so you can get notification. I will be teaching you how to create a new page in our new video. Please, I will be needing more than 10,000 views on this video. Thank you.